Buenos días amigos, this is Luis from Lima, Peru. Today we are having a second unboxing. Let's get started. And the next product, it says replacement parts. Replacement for what? Okay, let's open it. Kind of quick way. I don't have the coding here, so I can faster. Oh, the back was close to the edge, but no problem. It says FDN340P. I will put a description in here. Okay, next product.
The FDN340P is a single P-channel logic level power trench MOSFET. It's a P MOSFET which can handle 2 amperes, and in a peak it could also handle 10 amperes. Nice, that's it.
And the next product is more integrated circuits. Let's see which one is this. Oh, SMD circuits without a code. Yeah. I will put the code right in here. Okay, next product.
And here we have the MOSFET. It's a SO23/3 package, and the information is about here. It's a normal MOSFET SMD with similar characteristics than the last one, and it's 2.8 amperes. Nice.
And the next product are connectors. Let's see which ones. Oh, they are not kind of connectors. They are, I call them finish contact color because of the green one. But it's yes, I need it for my last project, the Raspberry Pi. I need to have the audio one, the audio signal. It has the ground, the left channel, right channel, and video. I don't need the video, but I need the left channel and the right channel by separate. So I have here, I don't know if you can read it, is left, right, V as video, and ground. So I have all the pins for the Raspberry Pi in one connector. It will help me for the next project. Next one.
And here you have the technical specification. You have the left, the right, the V as in video, and the ground one. The price about $2, and the shipping it was cheaper when I asked it. Next.
And the next product, it's difficult to read, but I think it's storage boxes. I don't know what kind of storage boxes I ordered. Let me see what's inside, but I think it's a storage box for SMD components, maybe? I don't remember. I will let you know that this product was asked about March. It is a long time, so I don't remember all the things I asked for. And of course, it's not a standard box. It's for batteries. Oh, and this guy is the 18650 18650 batteries, the LiPo batteries. Oh, I also need one of them, well, 2 of them for a robot that I was making, where we and some friends are making this robot, and we need these cases because it's easier to recharge it. You can plug out, use a standard charger for these batteries, and you can put it back. Nowadays, we used to solder directly to the battery, and it's not a good idea. And it also difficult to recharge it. You can use it easily, but difficult to recharge it. Okay, next product.
And here you can see a simple page from this case. It's a cheap one, and that's it.
And the next product is switches. Well. SMD switches, I think. Let me see if they are. Oh, they are my new kind of standard for switches. I asked for SMD switches, big ones, and I think this is the small ones. Oh, you will see or maybe over here, a picture of them in the web page, which shows that it's SMD rectangular, and I hope that if you clean them with alcohol and a toothbrush, you don't lose it, because last ones I lose many, about 10% of my switches, just because I cleaned it with alcohol. I think the last ones were low profile SMD switches, but these are kind of stronger switches. Okay, next product.
And as you can see, it comes with plenty of pictures, good pictures, and also dimensions, which is really important when you design it for, in my case, Eagle or any other CAD software. It also says the price. I don't remember. Oh, sorry, I asked in bag, and it's about 100 of them. Even the this bag is about 1,000 of them, but it comes with a bag of 100. That's it.
And the next items, it says ICs. Okay, let's change it for knife. Ooh, yeah, 10 of them. Which code is it? Is the PCF8574P. You know, I will tell you later what is it about. The problem, they don't came with a bag, with a plastic bag or nothing, so I will use my new bags. Okay, next product.
And you can see now the specs for this chip. This is it's called the remote 8-bit I/O expander for A2C bus. I have the 16-bit I/O expander, but this is very well known and everybody recommends this one. I don't know why. So I got one just in case.
And our next product is called electronic module. Let's see which one. Ooh, careful with the bag. Only one. Oh, two of them. Two are the same one. It came with a long cable. And I don't know how the PT100 sensor. It's about a thermometer which reads the temperature and controls with a relay the output. So I will use it for an oven. Okay, a toaster. That I use for make my SMD soldering. It's a simple toaster, but with this one I can make it a little more precise, not faster but precise. Okay, next product.
And we have some specifications in here, not too many, but at least they say how to use it, what it does, and a good picture, or I don't know, some pictures of them. But the problem is that this item is no longer available. So I hope I can have this web page in a couple of months. I hope so. Okay.
And the next product, it's about an integrated circuit. Which one? I don't know. It says 4 times, so it's about 4 integrated circuits. Let's see which ones. Okay, let's use a knife. Yeah, read careful. Careful. I don't want to paint it red. Okay, what I have in here? Oh, I have stickers for the code of the product. And this one is the same about a previous video with a PCB board to mount the ESP-3266, but this is for the ESP-32. Sorry, it's ESP-32S, and it has 2 buttons, the reset one and the load one. So that's my new prototype chip. The ESP-32 is better than the ESP-8266. It's about expensive, but not a problem for prototyping or making a final product. And this one I can make it simple, and I can work from here and make another circuit over there, so I don't have to solder in a permanent PCB, and it's easy to change the chip because this has a lot of pins. It will help me. I have some of them, but I don't know why I ask for only 4. Sometimes when I receive a good product or a product in any way, I just ask for them again. Maybe sometimes I ask for example, 4 of them, and the shipping price is about $1 or less. But if I ask for 2 more, 1 more, the price it's over $5, and maybe they ask for more shipping price, about $10 maybe. So I prefer to order 4, receive them, and if they came okay, I'm okay with the product, I ask again another shipping. Okay, next product.
And here is the ESP-32 plate. Nice pictures, nice seal screen, an easy product, and that's it.
And our next product is a relay. It says only relay. I don't remember which one I asked for. I am expecting for a double coil relay, but I don't think it's this one. It's too early to receive that. I asked for them last week only. Well packaged. Okay, post-production, music please. Production, let's continue. Okay, we have 5 of them, which code is, I think it's a standard one, but the code said SRD 05 volt DC SLC, which in normal words, in Spanish as we said, it's a 5 volts relay, simple one, nothing complicated. I asked for the 5 volts because okay, I need it, it's simple to use, but mostly I will use also 12 volts. Okay, that relay, it's easy to use, and I will use it on my agriculture project, which tries to open and close a valve. It's a valve or it's a pump. In this case, I am going to use a pump. The pump is about 12 volts. Yes, 12 volts, and it's really small. But okay, this relay will be good for any bigger capacity in the future. Okay, next product.
And just in case, a good picture of this product.
And the next product is component and parts. I don't know. Let me see what we have here. Careful with the product, which over here. Yo. Okay. No problem with the scissor. Oh, 10 of them. Which code? Let me see. It's a MOSFET one. It's the IRL-B8721. Oh, I don't know why I asked them. It's supposed to have a suggestion for any other channel, YouTube channel that use this MOSFET, and I asked for them just in case for any future project. Next one.
And here you have the information from the web page from AliExpress. It's cheap one, 10 of them, and no information in here, but you can find information about this MOSFET. Yeah, and it said 44 amperes continuous at 100 temperature, or maybe 62 if it's really cold, and it's about 30 volts. It's a power MOSFET. It's supposed to be used for UPS and inverter applications. That's it.
And the next one is the expansion board module. Again. Oh, something different. I hope so. Oh, what is it? Seems like a PICKIT programmer. No, it's a, how do you say? 04. I don't know. SF. I don't remember. You will see it right back. But it's a kind of socket for a chip, which says jumper 1, jumper 2, jumper 3. I have master clear, VCC ground, and PGT. I don't know, and PGC. Don't remember why I asked for it, but it says PICK 10 or 16F677. Sorry for my English. And deep 40/28 mg. I don't know, but it's like a PICKIT programmer or a PICKIT component. Maybe I remember I asked for the PICKIT, the programmer PICKIT 3 maybe, which I just asked because I want to use the XLP chips, XLP microcontrollers, which is the extreme low power chips, which is like a normal PICKIT microcontroller, but the use of power is really reduced, and it can be programmed with a PICKIT 3 thing, I think. I asked for the Chinese one, and it comes with I can ask for this extension, which can help me sometimes. Not for the XLP because they came all in SMD, but for any future project with PICKIT ones. Okay, that's it. Next product.
And you can see here good pictures of this accessory. It's the accessory for the PICKIT. It's okay, and it's 04 insertion. It means it's really easy to put the chips, and you can program them with the PICKIT, of course. This is only the accessory. Okay, that's it. And look at the price. That's the reason I buy it.